Welcome to WanderNest. Okay, so you're jetting off to South Korea, solo. Exciting, right? But let's be real, packing for a new country can be a little overwhelming. So I've put together the ultimate checklist for what to pack for South Korea in 2025, tailored just for solo travelers like you. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk documents. Triple check your passport, visa, and travel insurance. I know it sounds obvious, but trust me, arriving at Incheon without one of these is a rookie mistake you do not want to make. And don't forget digital copies of everything, just in case. Now, money. South Korea is mostly cashless, but some small shops and street food stalls prefer cash. Bring a no-fee international card and about 100,000 won in cash to get started. Oh, and download a currency converter app. It'll save you so much mental math. Let's chat clothes. Koreans are stylish, but comfort is key when you're exploring solo. Think layers. Weather can swing from chilly mornings to warm afternoons, especially in spring and fall. Pack a lightweight rain jacket, comfy walking shoes, and one fancier outfit in case you want to try a rooftop bar or a K-pop concert. Don't forget socks. You'll be taking your shoes off a lot in restaurants and homes. Tech time. Universal power adapter is a must. South Korea uses the Type-C and F plugs. Bring a portable charger. Between all the subway rides, navigation, and snapping photos, your phone will thank you. And get yourself a Korean SIM card or portable Wi-Fi. Trust me, Google Maps won't always cut it here, and Navermap is your new best friend. Toiletries. Most basics are easy to find, but bring your favorite deodorant and sunscreen. Trust me, Korean brands can be a little different and you'll want reliable stuff. If you wear makeup, pack what you love. Korean beauty stores are tempting, but shades can be limited. Now, solo travel essentials. A small backpack for day trips, a reusable water bottle, tap water is safe, and a lock for hostel lockers. Pack a tiny first aid kit with band-aids, painkillers, and cold medicine, just in case. And bring a stash of instant coffee or tea if you're picky about your morning brew. Last but not least, don't forget a little something from home. Whether it's photos, a playlist, or a favorite snack, having a piece of comfort can make solo adventures feel just a bit cozier. So you're all set. Documents, money, clothes, tech, toiletries, and those little extras that make every solo trip epic. Hit the subscribe button for more solo travel tips and drop a comment if you're heading to Korea in 2025. Safe travels. Subscribe to WanderNest.